Hey John, my name's Kylie. I'm with RinGen SEO and digital marketing. I just wanted to make this short video for you. I know it's been a couple weeks since you requested it, so I do apologize. I appreciate your patience. We kind of got backed up and overloaded with requests here, so we're getting to it now, and I hope that you enjoy this video. First, I wanted to start by saying we're going to go over a couple things today. First one's going to be content. Second one will be citations. And the third one is going to be backlinks. So what this video is about is exposure, right? So gaining more exposure, branding, and growing your business organically online and bringing in more exclusive leads via the internet without having to use companies like Zillow and Realtor.com. So saving money, and really you can do this for a fraction of the cost that it costs for those companies, especially in a major competitive area like Houston. So I'm going to go ahead and start on your Facebook page here. I didn't locate a website for you. I do apologize if you have one. I wasn't able to find one. I've got your page pulled up here, and what I do want to point out too is that I'm not friends with you, right? And most people that could be potential clients. So making sure that you have website information, contact information available to people who may not be your friends. So making it public, not your entire Facebook, but things like that. Contact information is going to help you bring in more business, help people find you easier. I'm pleased to see that you've got real estate and stuff on your website. A lot of people don't, so that's definitely going to help you out. But just making sure, like I said, bring that stuff public, make it easy for people to contact you, whether they're your friend on Facebook or not. We're going to use a competitor's website because generally, like what I like to do is use your website, go over content, photos, things like that. But like I said, I couldn't find one, so I'm going to go ahead and use a local competitor's Keller Williams website to just kind of explain what I'm talking about. And these tips and tricks are interchangeable, so you can use them whether it's your site or somebody else's. Content is king in the eyes of Google. Google likes to see about a 1,500 minimum on any page that you're trying to be found for. So real estate themes, for example, are not really designed all the time to fit 1,500 words. So if you can fit them in there comfortably and make it look clean and crisp, go for it. But if you can't, then just base your content amount off of your local competition. So how many words do they have on their page? And that's what you're going to need to duplicate and then one up it. So just go a little bit more above and beyond than them, and you should be golden. Content isn't just the words on your page. Content is also the images on your page and how they're saved. So having your images, every image on your page, unless it's coming from an IDX feed, saved as a buyer intent type keyword or key phrase. So what I mean, it would be homes for sale, Houston, right? That would be a buyer intent type keyword. So coming up with a list of those keywords that have high volume is going to help bring you in more clients organically and exclusively via the internet online. Next to that, content is also what's behind the images on your pages. So site titles, meta descriptions, alt tags, etc. We're going to pop on over to citations. Citations are anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number are listed. And this would be through various directories. Various directories are like Facebook, Instagram, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, Zillow, Realtor.com. All these companies or directories offer what's called a citation. And a citation gives you power to your Google My Business page. What that's going to do is help you rank in these 1 to 3 positions in this Google Map Pack. If someone types in Houston, Texas Realtors, I would think that you might want to pull up here, get a little piece of the pie that these guys are getting. This down here is the organic listing. So this is going to be where a website would rank if you were putting power to your website. It's nice to kind of go hand in hand to have, rankings in these top positions here, and then also be ranking on the first page of Google organically with your website. It's just another avenue for people to reach out to you and gain more business online. This is a paid tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. And what it does is tell me the power that's coming to a website. Since we use Keller Williams' website as the content reference, I'm going to just continue on with this so I can show you what they're doing as far as backlinking. And that's the third thing that we are going to talk about today. Backlinks are essentially one website linking to another website telling Google, hey, Google, this website is trustworthy. With that being said, not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to make sure that you're pulling backlinks from relevant sites, relevant to the real estate industry, and that they're not spammy. So you don't want to put them on spammy sites. You really want to do your research. And again, relevant. So don't put your link on a tire shop website or an ice cream shop. Google sees this and they actually um, will put you on timeout for it. So we want to make sure that we're doing it the right way. We want to gain trust with Google. In return, Google rewards you, and that's where you get higher ranking statuses, hopefully to that first page of Google, and bring in some more business. Like I said, for a fraction of the cost that it would cost in Houston to advertise with Zillow and Realtor.com. This company here is doing quite a bit of work. This domain rating could be a little bit higher, so it leads me to believe that they probably need to come in here and do a little work on, their links and what they've got going on here. They probably have a little bit of spammy stuff going on. But they're being found for 289 organic keywords. I know it's Keller Williams. It's a brokerage, so it's a little bit different than, a personal website. But they've got 700 people coming to their website every month. Just having a little smidge of that pie is going to benefit you a ton. With that being said, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you found it useful. I kind of flew through here on you. I like to keep these short and sweet. I don't want to bore anybody. So if you have questions, feel free to reach out. I wish you a fantastic 2021, and I hope it brings you more business this year. Thanks.